Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I think I'm just going to mess around here and do some swirls, like kind of going back to basics, because I don't know what it is about swirls, but at the very start, whenever I was beginning to do nails and art and nail art and stuff, the swirls just didn't look right for me. So I'm going to give you some tips that I've learned through the way. I've just put down some different colours on the palette here, and if I'm doing a swirl, I'll try and go for like three colours, three kind of colours that's the same tones, maybe one that's a wee bit glittery and the other two that's like one light, one dark, something like that. So I'm starting here at one corner of the nail and I'm going to go down to the opposite corner, and one corner I'll start off thick and I'll finish it on the other side thin. So I think this is really the main trick to doing a swirl, is if you do one side thick, make sure your other side is thin. So I'm just going to start off here and put the swirl down, and you'll see now that I'm going to start thickening this bottom part of the line. And I remember doing swirls at the start, and they just looked terrible. They just did not look like everybody else's. They kind of looked a bit flat, and there wasn't enough curve on them. And I kind of gave up for a long time doing swirls because they were just doing my head in. So now that I'm putting down the second colour, I am going to actually make the top part thick and bring it down thin. So I'm going to do the opposite thing with this. I'm sitting outside doing this voiceover today, and it is absolutely beautiful. There's not a cloud in the sky. The birds are cheeping, and I have my wash out in the line, and it's just gorgeous. And I haven't got a client until 2:30, so I'm going to just sit here and relax for an hour now before my client comes. I hope everybody's having a good day, barbecue or whatever you're doing today. You hear the birds? They're really going for it. So once I do this first nail, I kind of talk you through this first nail, I'm going to just speed everything up and put some music behind it, and let's just watch some of the designs that I do, and I'll talk to you at the end before I finish up the video. So that's my second colour down, and I'm going in now with my third colour, and this is the lightest colour, and I'm just going to do the opposite again. Whatever side's thick, I'll start thin, and whatever side's thin, I'll make it this colour thick. So that's kind of the trick to it, I think. You'll see me also doing one sort of halfway through the designs where I do the swirl and I put down a swirly line, and then my second colour I make it disappear as if it's going behind the swirl and coming out the other side. That takes a wee bit of practice as well, but you'll see me doing it. So if anybody has any questions, drop them below, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. So guys, that is that wee video finished, that wee swirly whirly video. Hope it gave some people ideas of a couple of wee designs that you can do. It's always nice to have maybe 2 fingers done with a design and then a plain colour on the rest. So yeah, I hope this is going to make you want to jump on and do some swirls on nails. And I'll see you next time. Bye.